Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is not going to be a sketch video, but I got an order in from my little scrapbook store, and so I want to share with you all my goodies that I've got in this past week. So we're going to jump right on in. I have a lot of stuff already on the table, so I'm going to start sharing, moving some stuff around and showing you some of the stuff. So we have some flare buttons, and these are fall themed. And then I think, yeah, I start to move them here because it's like, okay, stay to the side. I got the rock candy, which is it's very thin and fine. But that I got that as soon as I saw it on the live, I knew I needed to get it. I got a replacement black soot because it's always good to have a spare. And then I love how Michelle packages everything. She put a sticker on here about it being like how crafty supplies make you feel good. And whenever it's inks or um, any type of mixed media stuff, it's always wrapped really, really well. And that was a gold spray that I love. I'm so glad I got a spare because it always scares me that I'm going to run out. All right. Now, oh, we have a guest. Everybody, this is my cat Salem, and I'm trying to get him off, but he won't get off my chest. So I have him right there, and then he's like, nope, I'm coming back. So bear with me 1 second. I'm trying to like coax him. Like if I touch him enough, maybe he'll want to run away. But alas, it doesn't work. Instead, he lays down. So we're just going to continue. So here's some of their CW's stencil butters. And I'm trying to show you. I'm sorry, my light. I didn't realize my light was so bright. But I got all these different colors. And then I think I kind of tilt them a little differently. So that way, in my camera, it wasn't this bright. So you could actually see all the colors. I apologize. Um, but I'm just showing you the different colors. This one was actually my favorite. It's kind of more of it's called Stormy. And it's like close to a black. It's like a dark, dark, dark gray. And then I also got the sparkling. This one is smaller than the other ones, which is what I'm showing you here. This is the Stardust butter. And then look at him. I'm like, Salem, can I show the people the stuff? Thanks. I got some lunar paste. And then these are all like dark and fall colory. I like it. I think this one is like a butter. I think they call it like a butter or something. Oh, I took my glasses off. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, the lighter one was cookie dough, which is really pretty. So, my partner in crime, I got him to move off the desk. And now I can show you the rest of the stuff. So, I got the glossy accents. The Nouveau drops are red nose reindeer, I think it is. Something like that. Rudolph's nose, that's it. And then I got two of these. And I like these because you're supposed to be able to use them with the stencil butters to spread on your stencils and stuff. But you can use it with any type of grit paste, any type of paste when you're using stencils. So I got two because it never fails. You'll lose one. And then I got the white crayons, which I'm told Vicky Booten did something with them. So I got them while Michelle had them in stock. So that way I can go back and check the videos and see what she did with them. And then I got a few of these distress crayons because I saw Gina use them on a live, and I'm like, I've never played with them. So I was like, let me just get these new ones. These are the new colors. And then I also got some more repositional dots. And then, okay. So in here, I'm going to try and take everything out. But Michelle started carrying some of the twines. Um, I think 4 of these are from like Doodlebug, and then yeah, these 3 right here, they're like your thick jute. They're really a thick twine, you can tell. Whereas this is more like your traditional baker's twine. And then she also has the hemp cords. So I'm bringing over real quick the ones that I have already. I think these were like a couple of sales ago. They're the ones that kind of have those fall colors. And these are nice because they're not as thick as that the other cord from Doodlebug, but they have that definitely thicker than the baker's twine. Baker's twine to me is very soft and thin, and you know, it's easy to put into bows and stuff like that. But I like that hemp cord too. Okay, so now pulling these 2 boxes, these are like a ribbon collection. So inside there's like a couple of twines and then 2 ribbons. And I'm just trying to show you with this one how you can set it up in the box. There's a little slit that you're going to slide the ribbon through, close it up, and then your ribbon is hanging out. And that's how you can pull out what you need. And this one is the same way. It's 2 ribbons and the twine, and you could have all 4 coming out of the slit on the box for easy access. Now, I also got just a few of the gems. I have a lot of gems and stuff, but I really wanted these brads because one is a stand mixer and one is like a measuring cup. And I think these would be so cute on a cookbook. I've been trying to work on a cookbook for so long, and it's time. Like I just gotta make it happen. And then this one, those were the first ones was pink. This one is like a pink unicorn, so it's hard to see, but the bright pink in there, those are all shaped like unicorns. And then this one is like a fall color, so it's like greens and browns. It's really pretty. Okay, so the next package, I'm gonna start pulling out some of the items, and then I'm gonna hold the big surprise for at the end. Okay, so bear with me as I get some of the pieces out. Now, I got the Happy Scrappy box, but I got it before they had sent it out like how everybody else got it. So she sent me some of the instructions that everybody else got so I could have the sketch as well. And in coming videos, I'm gonna have a surprise about that too, so keep an eye out. So I got a few pieces that go with the Halloween collection from Simple Stories. And now I can't find where I put it, but I think I get everything out of there. So this one I've used before in a Friday video actually, and I didn't have the regular ephemera. So this one has like some phrases, some tags, things like that, and then we have the buttons and stuff. And it was just a few items that she had in the sale, the enamel dots that I didn't have with the original items that I got. So I was like, let me put that because I really did like the paper and I would like to use it again. So these are flip pockets. These are ones I got separate from the surprise I'm going to show you at the very end. Some of these I think are 4x6, and then there's a mixed pack. So they're not both the same. You do get different sizes in one. And then I got these fall flares. You know what? I don't think I remember actually showing to the camera. That gear that you see is actually a mask, not a stencil. Okay, I'm going to mention that now because I don't think I hold it up to the camera. I got all of these foams and stickers, or like 3D stickers, for possibly in my December daily. So that's why I'm showing you that. And then this is actually a palette sheet. So a palette sheet, you can tear it off, right? And then you would use this sheet to put down your inks, your paste. You can make up your own colors, do all of that right on there, and then throw it away. So you don't have to have any special surfaces and stuff like that, that is your surface that you can create on. Now, this stamp, I was intrigued by it. When Michelle showed it to us, I was like, I have to get it. And then these stripes, I think would make great backgrounds. And that was from Tim Holtz. And this one was the Simon Hurley stamp with the bats and the pumpkins and the gourds. And I think there's a ghost. And I just like the sentiments because I don't have a lot with Halloween or Thanksgiving. And I wanted to make sure I had those. And then the stencil, you get 5 elements. So the first 2 in the all black and then 3 houses. I got these 2 stencils. And then this one, I'm going to be showing it to you. It's kind of weird. But those little pictures, that's a little upside down, but I was trying to get it in my camera right. This is all Christmas theme, right? Because this one we got was all different elements. So it's hearts, circles, all kinds of stuff. But the one for the holidays has candy canes. It's got all kinds of stuff. Now, this sticker book, if you've ever had one of the Tim Holtz sticker books, like they have one that's for smart, is it smart remarks? Or it's like, I forget all the different names. They have big words, you know, sometimes they're really large. This one is all Christmas, so that's why I got that one. And then this one is pretty. It's all like sort of like baby boy, but you could use it because they have one huggable that I love, and you could use that on the little girls. I'm slowly collecting the color vibes. I didn't want to open it. I didn't, but it had all the fall colors. So that's why I got that one. And then I got the Pretty Little Studios. These are all plaids, right? But you get 1 of each sheet. So you get 16 sheets, and that's all of them on the back. And then, so I had that one, and then the 6x8 to match. And then this one is all ledger paper. And let me tell you, I'm very excited about that. I like using ledger paper too. I like tearing it in half, having it be part of the layout design. So I was really excited to see that. And then this, wood grains in like rainbow colors. Did they just make this for me? I think so. Look at the purples and the greens. And then we're coming up to the orange. Oh my God. I mean, it is like probably one of my favorite. I love wood grain paper as it is. And then to have little hints of color. I love the blues. I mean, can we talk about it? The blue and white, I'm like, not my fave, but it's okay. I'll use the other side. Hello. I think you get like 3 sheets of each of the colors. And then I got this Simple Stories. Now, these envelopes don't technically come with their card kits like this. Michelle very generously puts envelopes in there for you. So I think it's a great thing that she does because she doesn't have to. Then I got the Christmas collection that goes with that stamp I first showed you. And then, of course, I had to get the Barbie. I mean, it's all pink all day long. And pink, as the movie quote goes, is my signature color. Okay? Now, this is the moment I was waiting for. I'm so excited. So, I'm showing you that was the Simple Stories Cranberry book that goes with this kit right here. Now, this kit, it goes for the Simple Stories Dear Santa collection. And it's a whole step-by-step on how to create this binder for Christmas, right? So a lot of us, we've been talking about the December dailies, and a lot of the design team does December dailies. They don't really follow this, like something like this, as close and stuff like that. They do a lot of their own things because they follow like Ali Edwards and people like that. If you're new to December Daily, this is a must because you get everything that you need. Enamel dots, the ephemeras. I think this one's like a layered ephemera. And then this one is other elements. You get snowflakes 25, the truck. You also get these flip tags. Now, these are a little bit smaller. They're like the 3x4s. But, I mean, you're going to be able to put so many photos into this project. And then Michelle included the ribbon and the baker's twine that you'll need to create the cover, which is super nice. It does not come with this collection if you're buying it as a kit from someplace else. That's something that Michelle did, which was really nice. And then we have all of our papers, which they tell you in the papers how to cut everything, so that way you'll have, you know, the completed book at the end. I mean, it's just I really do like this kit. And I'm torn now because I was going to do the 49 and Market book. I may still do it, like put it together, but don't put photos in it. And then I may use this for my whatever I'm going to do for December daily. So you get solid sheets, white and 2 different greens. You get this black plaid with solid black on the back with the red. Yeah. And all of that is going to make the final project there with the snapbook. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Links will be down below to all of my little scrapbook stores, sites, website, Facebook, all the things. So thanks you guys, and I hope you have a great weekend.